Keep control of your funds. Mutuum is fully non-custodial and secure. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Let's dive into Mutuum. Mutuum is a new decentralized project right now in their pre-sale phase where users always control their crypto assets and it has no centralized custody or admin keys. The use case of Mutuum is that you can lend, borrow, contribute, and earn through the blockchain. Basically, you can become your own bank. They already have over 14,000 holders. They've gathered over 13 million US dollars, and you can get it at 3.5 cents. The innovative technology behind Mutuum is that it enables users to engage either as lenders or borrowers or even liquidators. The lenders, they deposit their crypto assets in Mutuum's liquidity pools, so they earn interest, and the borrowers obtain over collateralized loans by securing them with sufficient collateral. The way that borrowers and lenders interact with each other is in a very innovative way with their peer-to-contract model or peer-to-peer model based on the tokens borrowers or lenders put into the liquidity pool. Now, the smart contracts of Mutuum enforce all the rules to be automatically and right. And you have transparent and auditable protocol. Some of the features of the project, we are talking about non-custodial, multi-chain, instant liquidity. We have collateral deposits, security audits, and it is open source. Now let's talk about numbers. It has 4 billion tokens and it has its native token Mutuum, which is used to distribute dividends and closely tied to the ecosystem growths. And the ticker is MUTM. And it's built on the ERC20 network. Now, Mutuum's audit process includes internal and external code reviews with multiple audit phases planned before it's launched. They even have a bug bounty program where users, its own community, gets rewarded if they find a bug into the system or smart contracts. Now, the bounty extends to all smart contracts, library, even off-chain services that are directly impacting the protocol's functionality. We are talking about core lending and borrowing contracts, empty token mechanisms, price, oracles and integrations, protocol interfaces, and even APIs. You can read through all the documents of Mutuum by clicking the link down in the description so you can learn its use case and how everything works. As we said, it's a non-custodial protocol, which this helps to reduce hacking risks, and by having their contracts and code open source, it attracts developers and adaptability. If you want to maximize your earnings and minimize your effort in a decentralized and secured way, then Mutuum is the solution for you, and you can be one of the first joining this project. Click the link below and get your token today in as low as $0.035 per token. To sum up, users always control their crypto assets with Mutuum. There is no decentralized custody or admin keys. Smart contracts enforce all rules automatically, and there is transparent and auditable control. Thank you so much for being on this video. Don't forget to click the like button and give us subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next valuable videos that will help you with your cryptocurrencies journey. And if you have any questions that I may not cover in this video, comment them below and we'll answer them for you. That's all for now. Thank you so much.